Outdoor retiree here with my new Mokai. Just getting ready to take it for the maiden voyage. The trailer I'm putting it on is a Triton trailer. It's a personal watercraft trailer. It's an LTWCI personal watercraft trailer. Some of the modifications I did to it were put these brackets on to strap it down with. These guide poles on, not necessarily to guide the Mokai on, but to help me see where the trailer's at behind me as I'm backing it up. And by putting those on, it gave me places to put some more tie downs. The one downside is these boards would not adjust low enough to go under the motor. So when I put these guide poles on, I went and bought a 4-foot, 1¼ inch pipe and slid it inside of those two rails and put a piece of wood on top of it. That way the motor section can set on that piece of wood and be supported when I'm traveling with it. Without that, I'd be afraid to travel with it with that motor section hanging out unsupported. Kind of out playing in the new kayak today. It's a little cold and windy today to do much looking. If I find a spot I like, I may look, but I'm really just out playing around in a Mokai. Hit a top speed of 23.3 coming up the river in choppy water.